Alrighty, it got late on me last night, so I didn't get this connected, but I did go ahead and high temp spray paint this. It'll probably burn off because it's not like I prepped it or anything. I just wanted to clean it up a little bit. I took a little bit of time to clean up around here, and now it's time to put the telescoping part of the chimney in. And that should be about it. Be able to fire it up, I hope. Now, if everything is good, from where that ceiling box is to there is plumbed in. So I should be able to just drop this on, slide it up, attach it, and throw a bunch of wood in here and heat it up to 90 degrees. Right? This bottom has an adapter, which I ended up needing. The guy at the chimney shop told me that not everybody 6-inch. Oh, I lost my microphone. Not everybody's 6-inch diameter is made the same, so they had an adapter, which of course I had to use. The thing is probably $35 or something like that. But so I have the adapter, then I have the telescoping section, which goes to the 2-foot section, which has the adapter from the double wall to the triple wall up there in the ceiling. And I have this stainless piece which goes up there somehow. We'll figure it out. Alright, that goes there. I think that gets screwed to that. Alright, gave me little black screws. I'll run some of those in there. And now I'm going to attach that collar. That should be able to pull everything up, screw that, make sure it's plumb, and it's done. I think there's more screws somewhere. I'll have to dig through the boxes. If not, I have plenty of other screws. This project is purely for functionality, not beauty. If you watch this channel, you know that most of my shop projects are not made for beauty. Good that way. Good that way. A couple more screws in here to hold the telescoping part. Maybe a couple in here to hold that because it has a spot for them. So we'll play along. We should be good to go. Alright, the screws are in. My flue pipe runs all the way up to the ceiling box and the big chimney heading out. Now what I like about this telescoping section here, and the fact that it connects to the ceiling box up there, is if, you know, come summer I really need the room, I can disassemble this section and I could wheel that thing out to the shed and give me some room here. But I'm gonna try to make it work within here, you know, forever. So that's done. Time to fire this thing up. I've got no patience to get a fire going, so we're just gonna let her rip. That's my OSB cutoffs from the roof. If it's burnable, it's going in there. Goose it again. I get this going, get this warm, and I'm gonna step outside and see how well it drafts.